Hello and welcome gentlemen. See, in this problem, a block of weight 3 Newton is rest on a horizontal surface. So gentlemen, make a horizontal surface and put a block of 3 Newtons. Obviously, you see that due to gravitational pull, this 3 Newton force will act downward. Obviously, if we say this is F1, so F1 be act due to gravitational pull of the earth to the downward. Now you are also applying 1 Newton force in upward direction, obviously with the help of a string. So put a string on this block, or you apply a force of 1 Newton onward, vertically upward with the help of this string. So gentlemen, you have to find out the net force acting on this block. That is very simple. You know forces are vector quantity. So gentlemen, you see that here two forces are acting. One is 3 newtons and it is acting downward. Why? Due to gravitational pull of earth. And second one is the 1 newton acting upward direction because you are applying. So net force kitna, how much? Net force will be the resultant of these two force. Force is a vector quantity. You can say, sir, we have to add this force and net force magnitude हो जाएगा. Working two force are acting opposite direction, so definitely you have to subtract from high to low. F1 is 3 Newton and F2 is a 1 Newton. When you subtract it, you will find the magnitude of force, resultant force 2 Newton. What is the direction of this net force? Naturally, it will act downward because F1 is greater than F2. So you can say finally 2 Newton force will be act on this block and direction will be obviously downward.